You've tried everything, the perfect window, the right soil, and yet your Christmas cactus is holding out. No blooms, just green silence. Well, I'm about to reveal the single, simple, almost suspiciously easy trick that professional growers use to guarantee an explosion of flowers every single year. Get ready to learn the secret they hope you never discover. The Christmas cactus is unlike most houseplants. It hides a secret in its biology. This isn't about fancy fertilizer or magic mist, it's about darkness. The plant is day-length sensitive, meaning it needs an extended, unbroken period of darkness to transition from a leafy green houseplant to a floral superstar. You must keep your Christmas cactus away from light for an uninterrupted 14 hours every single day, starting in September or early October, and continue this for 6 to 8 weeks. To make this trick work, you must eliminate all light sources, and that means being vigilant about the Christmas cactus's nighttime routine. Any artificial light, even a dim street lamp or a passing flashlight, will disrupt the process and prevent budding. During the day, the Christmas cactus still needs about 4 to 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight. But the moment dusk arrives, it needs to be plunged into complete, continuous darkness. You can use a simple cardboard box, a dark closet, or a dark sheet to mimic these perfect nighttime conditions. The reason this simple darkness trick works is rooted in the Christmas cactus's need for a dormant period. Unlike most plants that bloom when light is abundant, the Christmas cactus needs a rest period that signals its body to prepare for flowering. If it's exposed to bright light for long hours, the plant is tricked into continuously growing new green segments, which tires it out and prevents it from dedicating the energy needed to produce its stunning holiday flowers. Cooler nighttime temperatures paired with this darkness are absolutely vital for promoting the budding process. Stop hoping and start knowing. Try this simple trick to guarantee you get those incredible holiday blooms this year. Don't let the secret stay buried. Like the video and subscribe for more game-changing gardening tips.